प्रसार भारती अभिलेखागार की प्रस्तुति सदाबहार सुनहरे दौर का अनमोल खजाना।
सोमवार 9 दिसंबर को संविधान सभा की पहली बैठक की 50वीं वर्षगांठ पर सभा के जीवित सदस्यों का सम्मान कर कृतज्ञ राष्ट्र ने उनके प्रति अपना आभार जताया। संविधान सभा की पहली बैठक संसद भवन के सेंट्रल हॉल में 9 दिसंबर 1946 को हुई थी। यह महज संयोग ही है कि उस दिन भी सोमवार था। काफी जद्दोजहद के बाद अंग्रेज इस बात पर राजी हुए थे कि खुद हिंदुस्तान के लोग अपने देश के भाग्य विधाता बने। देश को एक अनूठा संविधान देने वाली संविधान सभा के 389 सदस्यों में से कुछ एक ही जीवित हैं। उनमें से भी सिर्फ 8 ही संसद भवन के सेंट्रल हॉल में हुए उस समारोह में पहुंच सके, बाकी किन्हीं कारणों से न आ पाए। लेकिन राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर शंकर दयाल शर्मा, उपराष्ट्रपति के.आर. नारायणन, प्रधानमंत्री एच.डी. देवेगौड़ा और लोकसभा अध्यक्ष पी.ए. संगमा ने सभी देशवासियों की तरफ से उनका आभार जताया। सभी ने एक सवाल उठाया, क्या हम संविधान निर्माताओं के सपनों को साकार कर पाए हैं?
Our political scene is in a state of fragmentation today. It is perhaps something like a broken mirror, and yet the image of India can be seen in each tiny bit, and it is possible to put the broken pieces together. One does not worry on that score, therefore, but we should worry about the deterioration of the values and the norms that the founding fathers upheld and enshrined in the Constitution.
राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर शंकर दयाल शर्मा को संतोष था कि संविधान निर्माताओं ने जो जिम्मेदारी हमें सौंपी थी उसे निभाने के लिए हमने मेहनत की।
We have provided flesh and blood the constitutional edifice bequeathed to us by the founding fathers,
and today Muslim refugees hoping to return to their
our
homes
constitution
are
has given
turned
us
away by Serb
the
police.
framework for a strong nation, a union of states, and between the various institutions of a democratic body. We can claim we have achieved significant
Sarajevo is
success
peaceful
that
for the
diverse,
moment.
interconnected
It's not the
spheres
kind
of
of peace
democratic
of the past
governance,
when the city
our
symbolized
parliament,
the ethnic
the executive,
diversity of the
and the judiciary.
Yugoslav Federation. For that
The philosophy
to
of the
happen, it will
Constitution
take more than one
nurtures
generation
a
to
polity
forget the brutality
where the
of the
precepts
fratricidal
and
war.
practices of democracy
Ever
have
since
become
the
second
ignominious
nature
collapse of the Soviet Union in 1991,
प्रधानमंत्री
Mikhail
देवेगौड़ा
Gorbachev
को
has
रंज
lived in the
था
shadows
कि
of the
संविधान
Russia he
निर्माताओं ने
helped
जो
create.
हासिल करने का
Now he
दायित्व हम
decided to
पर
run for
छोड़ा था
president in
वह
June.
50 साल
His
बाद तक
chances
पूरा
are
नहीं
considered
किया जा
slim,
सका है।
not the
लेकिन
least because the
उन्होंने एक
communists are
महत्वपूर्ण
widely
सवाल
favored
भी
to win.
उठाया।
We have not been able to achieve
Wish it to
many
be.
old purposes
The
for
chairman
which
of the drafting
the Constitution
committee,
was enacted.
Make his dramatic announcement in
Constitution
the old Tsarist city
failed
of St.
us,
Petersburg.
or we the people
From
of
the
India
pulpit
have
of a
failed
teacher's
the
college,
Constitution.
Gorbachev
One
formally threw his hat into the
often
ring.
hears demands for radical reforms to the Constitution. Before we consider any such idea, we must recall the words of Dr. Rajendra Prasad. After all, the Constitution, like a machine, is a lifeless thing. It acquires life because of the men who control it and operate it. Do not live up to the mandate of the Constitution. The Constitution
The applause
should
was
not be
scattered,
blamed.
polite
All
in fact.
constitutional functionaries
But Gorbachev
should
appeared
perform
to have
their
no doubts
duty
about his
under the
decision,
Constitution with
taken,
the
he
true
said,
spirit of its
at the request
provisions.
of people all over Russia.
At this hour, when we
But pre-election
complete
surveys are
50
not very
years,
encouraging about
we
his
have to
prospects.
ponder and introspect what we have achieved and what we have not been able to achieve. The sacrifices made by our leaders have caused a heavy burden of responsibility on our shoulders.
लोकसभा अध्यक्ष पूर्णो ए संगमा को संविधान सभा की छोड़ी विरासत पर
Gorbachev says he isn't bothered by such surveys.
To us by the Constituent Assembly is priceless. This heritage is of a secular, democratic, republican model characterized by universal adult franchise, guarantee of fundamental rights, linguistic balance, equity and social justice, parliamentary reform, independence of the judiciary, and recognition of unity in diversity in which the federal principle is subsumed.
संविधान निर्माताओं को इस बात का इल्म था कि वे कितना बड़ा काम कर रहे हैं। कलकत्ता में रह रही श्रीमती रेणुका रॉय अब अपनी वृद्धावस्था की वजह से कितनी भी बेबस हों, लेकिन संविधान सभा की याद कर अपनी खुशी छुपा नहीं पाते।
I was extremely thrilled when we first started, particularly because it was after long years of wanting this to happen, that we seemed at last to be on the verge of the new phase in our country.
बंगलौर में बसे श्री M.A. श्रीनिवासन तो अपनी वृद्धावस्था के कारण अपनी अनुभूतियां व्यक्त भी नहीं कर पाए, बस यूं ही उन यादों में खो गए। चेन्नई को इस बात का गर्व होना चाहिए कि संविधान सभा के 2 जीवित सदस्य वहां रह रहे हैं। श्री सी सुब्रमण्यम तो सोमवार को हुए समारोह में उपस्थित थे।
We were full of hopes that new India was being born and Indians would have a new way of life where everybody will have the opportunity to live a purposeful, meaningful life. And we always have in our mind what Mahatma Gandhi was advocating to us, what should be the future of India, an independent India. He always emphasized that freedom was not for the purpose of replacing the Britishers and bringing in their place Indians, but independence for the purpose of seeing that the poverty-stricken people of India, particularly in the rural areas, that poverty is eradicated, superstition is removed, and people would have the opportunity to have a full and healthy life. That was the vision which Mahatma Ji projected, and it was that vision which was always in our mind when we framed the Constitution and then gave shape to it.
एल कृष्णस्वामी भारती वहां नहीं पहुंच पाए, पर उन्हें याद है संविधान सभा के वे दिन जब वे अपने दूसरे दिग्गज साथियों के साथ देश की नियति तय करने वाला अनमोल दस्तावेज रच रहे थे।
I wish to state 1 or 2 matters regarding my humble role in the Constitution matter. Dr. Ambedkar placed before a meeting of the Congress Members Assembly a draft of the Act after due discussion and changes. The matter was placed before the open session. I played an important role in this matter.
संविधान निर्माताओं ने देश को एक अद्वितीय दस्तावेज तो दिया, लेकिन उनके मानदंडों पर खरा उतरें, इसकी जिम्मेदारी हम सबकी है।